Okay, guys, this one is super wild. Mojito gummy bears. And I know many of you going, wait a minute, Sky, can you do that? Hey, ain't no liquor police out there. I mean, mixologists kind of like liquor police because they're always sweating us. So, okay, so we put some sugar into our water and we stir. Then we come behind and add in some gelatin, okay? So, beautiful. Gelatin, because gelatin is what's going to help all this to firm up. Come behind it with some rum. So it's mojito-ish. Squeeze in some lime juice. Beautiful. Now cut up some mint. Okay, we dice some mint leaves. Okay, we're dicing. Stir in. If you hear me belching, that's just alcohol coughing up in my gullet. Okay, is gullet a medical term? Or that's just something they use on the streets? Okay, sorry. Okay, in my hood, we used to say gullet a lot, the main throat. Okay, and there you have it, these cute little mojito bears, okay, with a little mint in it, okay? Now, many of you don't have vegetables in your diet, so get some mint leaves in you. These mojito gummies be perfect for your diet. Stay tuned.